Welcome to Exposed, an exclusive look behind the curtain of corporate greed with the Warnings Doctor, Dr. Gerry Goldhaber. Learn about what every consumer desperately needs to know in order to avoid serious injury and even death. You'll hear about ways in which consumers, government regulators, and corporations must interact to keep you and your loved one safe.
This is Dr. Gerry Goldhaber, the Warnings Doctor, bringing you another episode of Exposed, an exclusive look behind the curtain of corporate greed. And today I want to talk to you about summer fun and why it may not always be just fun. There are dangers lurking in most of our so-called fun summer experiences. And today, the Warnings Doctor is going to open up the curtain behind some of the most dangerous activities surrounding the family or your friend's swimming pool, where millions of children go in every day during the hot summer months, and not so many come out alive and well and healthy and uninjured. And I want to talk to you today about drowning and diving injuries, the two most common events that occur that are dangerous in the summer swimming pool experience. And before you run to open up your own pool or visit your friend or family member's pool, especially if you have young children, I want you to be aware that this is the time of year where 300 children, 300, aged 1 to 4, will drown. That's right, will drown in a private swimming pool. According to the National Safety Council, drowning is the leading cause of death for young children.